Hello fam, welcome back to yet another video, and to all you new subbies, I see you. On today's video I will be giving you a run through of how I do my deep spring cleaning. So yeah, just sit back and enjoy. So I'm just giving you a tour of how the before makeover or transition looked like before the deep cleaning, and then I will definitely be showing you the after process of the whole thing. So I will be starting off in my bathroom and just working my way all around the house.
Started to fall, and where were you? How could I know you were falling too? Grabbing the wind, cutting my skin, but it's hard because I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling.
When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better, better. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong. be shaken but not stirred. Just a lesson that I've learned. And so it goes, tables turn, and you're on your own. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better off. When I look at what I've done, and we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better off. When I look at what I've done, and we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong.
So now that I'm done with my bathroom, I'm gonna move over to my guest bathroom that is mainly used by my kids when they come over to my apartment. It's not really that dirty, but whenever I do deep cleaning, I just do it all around the house. So I will be doing the same thing that I did in my bathroom. I'm pretty much done sweeping my carpets, and this is the dirt that actually came out. Now I'm just gonna move over to the mopping because I'm done with dusting the entire house as well as cleaning of the bathrooms. So at this point, I'm just gonna take out the clean dishes from last night because I only run the dishwasher at night, and then just load it with some breakfast dishes that will be run at night. So now I'm just gonna sanitize the surfaces, but it's really something that I do on a daily basis, as I use the kitchen all the time to cook and make meals. So this part I just basically do it every single day.
Clarity is clear to see. I think it's time we confronted the situation in front of us. And I think it's time we talk it out and forget all the fuss. And if it's not me, I'll have to understand, and I'll be out your way. No drama involved, but if you feel it's me, if you feel I'm the one, you're gonna need to make a way for me to see. But as for me, you're the one, and in my heart, time will come till the end. I'ma always be right by your side. But as for me, you're the one, and in my heart, time will come till the end. I'ma always be right by your side. I know you're the one, I know our time will come. I feel you in my heart, I see you in my dreams, I keep you in my prayers.
time you admit that I'm the only one for you, yeah. And I think it's time you let go of all your fears and just trust me, babe. Cause I know you are, and I know this isn't what you're meant to do. You have pure intentions, what is the issue? So just open up and let me see inside. Maybe you should just put your pride aside. But as for me, you're the one, and in my heart, time will come till the end. I'ma always be right by your side. But as for me, you're the one, and in my heart, time will come till the end. I'ma always be right by your side. I know we can make it, baby. Take a chance on me. Let me show you good times, baby. Take a chance on us. Take a chance on us. But as for me, you're the one, and in my heart, time will come till the end. I'ma always be right by your side. But as for me, you're the one, and in my heart, time will come till the end. I'ma always be right by your side. I know you're the one, I know our time will come. I feel you in my heart, I see you in my dreams. I keep you in my prayers.
I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling. I'm falling. Tell me why I'm
So we have finally come to the end of the video. Thank you so much for all of you who've watched. Please do not forget to hit the like button as well as the subscribe, and don't forget to share with the rest of your families and your friends.